bridesmaid. So you can't do a massive one because you've got to think, what age would a child bridesmaid be? What are we saying, child bridesmaid?
7, 9.
7, 9. Would you say someone who's about 13, 14? Classed as a child?
It depends how tall they are.
Sort of like then they go into the teenager sort of age, which may be slightly bigger, and then you've got your adult, which is slightly bigger, and your bride obviously is bigger. So I would say a child would be someone like from the age of 5 up to probably 9. Anything under 5 would be classed as a flower girl, so you'd have the more delicate type of designs. So this will be one of your assessment designs. One of your task aids as well, which will be, if you want to do wired, is later this afternoon we're going to wire this design up, so you've got a wired bouquet. And you can see the difference between the two of what you prefer. Because many years ago, we wasn't fortunate for us to have Oasis, the floral foam. Okay, this is something that's sort of come along later. So the florists, you know, many years ago had to wire everything, you know, and everything had to be wired. So it's good as a florist that you learn that skill as well, because you never know when you still need it. I mean, occasionally I still do wiring bouquets, especially if someone wants like, you know, Princess Diana floor length one. Putting it in a bit of Oasis may not be the ideal solution, so doing it a wired is your option. What do you think the advantages are of doing it in Oasis, maybe?
Keep the moisture in.
Keeps the flowers fresh, drinking, than maybe not a wired. Any other advantages?
Easier.
Easier, yeah, definitely. Easier, time, efficient, quicker.
But it is light.
It can be light, yeah. Can be light. Think of all the wiring things you've been doing. Anything else? So easier, which then helps time, so maybe could make it cheaper.
And also for shape.
Shape, you get more sort of structure and control. Disadvantages of using Oasis?
Bad for the environment.
Yeah, it's not, but this particular one, although floral foam now you can buy ones that are good for the environment, but this particular one isn't. There's a lot of gas in floral foam, it's compressed gas. So it's very, very flammable, very flammable. And also security, your flowers may not always be secure. And also, there's not a lot of space. It doesn't hold probably a lot of flowers, yeah? This is a particular small bouquet holder. This is what we call bridal holder. This is the small, this is your, in this range, the large. Doesn't go any bigger than that. But you can get now oval shaped ones if you're doing more of a shower bouquet.